In what year did World War I started? Answer B, 1914. In what year did World War I end? Answer A, 1918. Germany, Austria, and Turkey were called what? Answer C, the Central Powers. April 6, 1917, USA declared war on who? Answer B, Germany. In what year did Japan enter the World War I? Answer C, 1914. During World War I, in which year did the USA join the Allies? Share your answer on the comments.